how to add PBR textures in Unity. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do on this part is to upload all of the textures that we want to put into Unity. So as you can see, I have now uploaded the occlusion, the color, the displacement, the normal, and then of course the roughness. Now to add a PBR texture, the next thing that we need to do is to right click on this part and then click create, and then go on and click the material right here, and then you should be able to see this new material. So the next thing that we need to do is to change the workflow mode into specular, and then once you do that, let's leave it as it is. So let's say for example that I want to add a cobblestone texture in Unity, so I'm gonna choose this one right here. And then for the surface inputs, this is where now we're going to add the images that we just have uploaded earlier. So for the base map, this will be the color of your texture, so let's drag it right here. And then for the specular map, that would be the roughness, so let's do that right here. And then let's adjust the smoothness into 0 right there. And then for the displacement, let's add this right here on the height map. And then for the normal, let's drag this one right here. And then for the occlusion, let's drag this one right here. And then once we now have added those, the next thing that we need to do is to add an object. So right click right here and then click 3D object, and then let's add a cube. And then the next thing that we need to do to add the texture is to drag this material right here into this part. And then as you can see, this is what it will look like. So that is pretty much it. That is how you add a PBR textures in Unity.